I don't know how to put it in words, but I am going to do a series on YouTube which is 23 days with Mohini. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Mohini and I make videos to fashion, travel, lifestyle, DIYs and a lot more. And today it is a part 2 of my favorites video. In July, for the first time, I did my favorite, like my monthly favorites, and you guys loved my July favorites video, so I thought let's just continue this series. And today I'm going to share my August favorite with you guys, and I have a mix of skincare, hair care, some real life events and some life updates. So if that's something which interests you, then keep on watching. So we'll talk about the hair first. So the first thing which I want to talk about is my new hair color. I'm not so sure if it's like visible in the camera or not, but this time I got like a chocolate brown hair color, and it's like a chocolate brown base with some light brown streaks, and not basically streaks but like a ombre hair color. So like that's what I got on my hair color this time, and I've never got a global hair color. This is the first time, and I can proudly say my hair aren't damaged that much, so yeah, that's a good thing. And the first favorite is my hair color. The second favorite I want to talk about is this wet brush. This has totally changed my life. Jahan se maine hair color karaya tha, they only gave this wet brush to me. So what the concept of this wet brush is, if you can see, this is like super soft, like very soft hair brush. So the concept of this brush is like when you mask or condition your hair, then you should like straighten it up so that the conditioner or the mask like is evenly spread in all of your hair. So then this wet brush comes in hand. Like for example, you're done with shampoo and then you want to straight your hair, like just go comb it with this brush, because isse bilkul bhi baal nahi tootte. I will not say bilkul nahi tootte, but the hair fall comparatively is way too less. And then you can apply your conditioner and then run it through again, and then conditioner evenly spread ho jata hai. And after that, like even after washing your hair, if you want to detangle your hair, you can use this wet brush. Isse काफी कम hair fall hota hai. So this is like one of my favorite things from August. Talking about hair only, I have two recommendations for you guys. The first one is the Saint Botanica Biotin and Collagen Volumizing Shampoo, and the same Saint Botanica Biotin and Collagen Hair Mask. So I have been trying this. I guess I have done 5 washes with both of these together, and guys, this shampoo is like a very good shampoo. It's free from paraben and sulfate, so which is a good thing. And I really like this pump wali cheese. And if we talk about the mask, oh my god, I just love this mask to the core. This is a very good mask. My hair feels so good after applying this mask. This hair mask is like very good. It's around for 1200, but it's so worth it. So I will definitely ask you, if you're looking for a hair mask, you can definitely try this. Also, the best thing about this hair mask is no sulfates, pure oils, no paraben, no mineral oil. So that is a very good thing about this hair mask. Like this is very safe for you to use on your hair and does wonders. So I will definitely recommend you guys to try this hair mask. One more hair care product which I want to share with you is this serum. So this is the Matrix Biolate Smooth Proof Avocado Deep Smoothening Serum, and guys, the serum is genuinely very good. Like मैंने इसको अभी use करना शुरू किया इसी महीने, and like this is how, like if you can see, I have used a lot of it, and इसको बहुत थोड़ा use करना होता है, like 2 drops and you're good to go. And when I got this hair color, the person, my hairstylist, suggested me that I should use a hair serum like every day. Earlier I used to use it just on the day of the wash, but now I have been using it like on a regular days, and that definitely helps. I would also recommend you, if you guys have like very dry hair, very frizzy hair like mine, so you should definitely use a hair serum on an everyday basis. And this Matrix Biolate serum is a very good serum, so you can try it out. And also this was 300 rupees, and this will last you around for I guess 4-5 months easily. So good product. Those were the hair care products, and now let's talk about some skincare products. So the first skincare product is this Oriental Botanics Aloe Vera Green Tea and Cucumber Under Eye Gel. And guys, I have been actually using this since a month, and I cannot stress enough how much This has helped me reduce my dark circles. And starting I didn't wanted to give you a random opinion. I wanted to try this for some time and then give you my real opinion, and this has actually worked, and I can definitely see reduction in my under eye dark circles, and I apply it daily. So if you are trying any product like this, you should definitely try it for a longer run and then decide for yourself if it works or not. This is a very gel like consistency, more like a aloe vera gel only. It is like a aloe vera under eye gel, so it definitely works a lot. And yeah, and sometimes I skip on concealer. I have not applied concealer today, I've just applied my base, but earlier I used to apply concealer and foundation both because my dark circles were there, but now it's so easy to cover them because they're very less. So I would highly recommend you guys to try this under eye gel. This is from Oriental Botanic. The next skincare product I want to talk about is this scrub. So this is the Plum, Wild Cherries and Kiwi body scrub. They definitely sent it to me in PR. I have not bought it, but oh my gosh, guys, they haven't paid me anything to show it to you in this video. This is a very good body scrub. It is very soapy as well, so you don't need to apply a body wash alag se when you're using this scrub. This is a very good scrub. I cannot put it in words, but this is one of the best scrubs I have ever tried. So yeah, do try this scrub out. It's a very good scrub. The next thing which I want to show you is the only fashion favorite we have in this video, which are these heels. So just a second. These are these beautiful red heels. Oh my god, I love them. These are the perfect height. They are not too high, they're not too low. They have a very beautiful bow, and they were not so expensive as well. And I posted a story wearing these heels and you guys loved it. And I got a lot of stuff from Ajio this time, but I'm not going to show it to you in this video because I am planning to do a birthday haul video. In that video you will see all the shopping I've done for my birthday, and this is a part of that. So I'm not going to tell more about it and not show you the other products, but these were my favorites. So I thought, let me just include something in the August favorite video. So yeah. Also guys, I want to share one thing. This is a very big news. I will be turning 23 on my birthday this year, and my birthday is on 30th September. I think you are watching this video in September only, so 30th September is my birthday, and I want to share something I don't know how to put it in words, but I am going to do a series on YouTube which is 23 days with Mohini, because I'm turning 23. So I will be uploading 23 videos continuously starting from 15th September to 7th October. So you will see a video from 15th September to 8th or to 7th of October daily or at 8 PM. And this is a very huge commitment which I'm going to make, and I'm so excited for it. I have been working my ass off starting from August, and yeah, so I am about to complete those videos now, and I'm so excited, and I'm just so excited for you guys to watch it. So that can also be one of my August favorites because I have been planning it in the August month. So yeah, sorry guys, my bad. That wasn't the only fashion favorite. The next fashion favorite I have with you is this fur bag. This is a heart-shaped fur bag which is a sling, and the best part about the sling bag is my best friend came to see me and she got this for me. It is handmade. It has a zipper on the back. You can keep your stuff in it. I also showed this to you in one of my videos, which was what I wore for a week part 3. So yeah, and I really like this cute bag and I'm so happy. So sweet. So next is something which you guys have been asking me a lot, ta-da! This is the Nykaa Wanderlust Hawaiian Jasmine Body Mist. If you have seen my Nykaa haul, which I'm very sure you already have. So in that Nykaa haul, I shared with you that when I ordered from Nykaa, this bottle came empty, and after going back and through with them for a week, Bhabhi used to call them 2 times a day, and they finally agreed to send this again. So this is just the best fragrance. Oh my god, it's just too good. I feel like spraying some right now. Oh my god, this is a very good body mist. This fragrance is so my type. It's so I cannot explain how it smells, but it smells really good. So yeah, and also it was an update that they've sent it. So, and this is like my current favorite fragrance. For this video I have two makeup favorites. The first one being Max Meher, which is on my lips right now. Like this is my first MAC lipstick and I just love it. Love the formula, love the texture, love the color on me. It's just the perfect nude shade for me and I really love it. So yeah, the next makeup favorite which I have is this bronzer. This is from L'Oreal Back to Bronze. You must have seen it in the Nykaa haul again, but this is like my first bronzer ever. I have never tried a bronzer before and this is like a very good bronzer, and this is totally up for my shade. This is in the shade 02 Sun Kiss, and for medium to dark skin tones I think this will work really well, and it's like a very nice brown bronzer. I've applied it today as well. I don't know if you can see it or not, but bronzers are meant to like melt in your face and not show up like alag se, and I think this works like this does a very good job in that. So it's a very good bronzer and I really like it. This month I tried another makeup remover, which is the Mamaearth Micellar Water Foaming Makeup Remover. And guys, can you see the concept? First of all, I've bought it. Mamaearth hasn't sent it, so I'm going to give you my honest reviews. So this is like a face wash what you get, right? Like face wash aate hain na, aise press karke bahar nikalte hain, and then you can just remove your makeup. And when I saw this product I was like, will it even work? Matlab ki it'll be more like a face wash, but this definitely works. This is like a micellar water but a face wash. So whenever you're done with the day, you just pump it out, apply it on your face, just clean it up, and then just spritz water, and then you're done. It does the job of a face wash, it does the job of a micellar water makeup remover, so that's a very good thing. Those were all the products I wanted to show in this video, but now I have 3 of my updates, like my life updates, which I wanted to share, like which happened in August. The first thing was I got nominated for the top 10 fashion bloggers in Chandigarh, which was a totally proud moment for me. But like getting nominated wasn't that satisfying जितना satisfying उस पे आप सबका like से प्यार था, and yeah, your guys support was so much when I posted that I have been nominated. So on that post I guess उस पे 250 comments थे in total 10 fashion bloggers के लिए, जिसमें से 80 around comments सिर्फ मेरे लिए थे, which makes me so happy that I have such a good family like here, and that just makes me so happy. And the results are out. I was not the winner, but that is fine. At least I was nominated amongst the top 10, and you guys like voted for me, which just made me so happy because your votes do matter, and I'm just so happy that you guys supported me. So that is like a very good thing. The second thing which I want to share with you is that I completed 20k on my Instagram, so which is a very like big achievement for me. I'm not so sure if you can feel it or not, but I am really happy. Like that is a big achievement for me, and now we'll aim for 50k, so stay tuned. And the third thing which I want to share is my best friend came to see me this month, and she came for like 2 days, but something or the other happened and she stayed for like more than 10 days, and she's still here. I'm so happy to have her around. हमेशा वो आसपास होती है. It just makes me so happy, and I'm so happy that she's here. And yeah, I have one more update which I want to share with you, is that this mehendi, if you can see it, and mehendi मेरी बहुत अच्छी चढ़ती है हमेशा की तरह, and this is like so pretty. So basically one of my friends is getting married, so I attended her functions, her mehendi and her reception, and I'll just post some pictures here so that you can see what I wore. But I am so happy for her to get married, and this is the first marriage after lockdown, like after coronavirus happened, which I have attended, and I was so happy. Like I was so happy for her, and everything was taken well care of. Every precautions were there, so that was a good thing. And yeah, if you guys are also going out, take all the precautions. Take your sanitizer and your masks with you all the time. And yeah, that's it for this video, and those were all my August favorites. I hope you liked it. I hope you enjoyed the video, and thank you so much for watching this video. If you liked it, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. That would mean the absolute world to me. And thank you guys for watching. Bye bye. Love you.